What's going on, boss man?
Man, my car, I don't know what's wrong with it.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get Yeah, I need a push, bro. Please.
Now I got you. I'll push you.
You help me. Thank you, sir.
We're gonna go that way, okay? You got your license on you?
Yes, sir.
You mind if I see it real quick?
I left him at the house. I'm sorry. My bad.
Okay.
I got a piece, sir.
You can't just pee right there, bro.
One 22 to radio 85.
One 12, single 8. Hey, you're gonna get tased, bro. Hands behind your back.
Bro,
I was just trying to help you out, bro.
I know.
Nah. Ain't no listen. Come on. Come on. I don't care. Come on. Man, bro, you tripping. Bro, I was just trying to help you out. You finna take off on me? It's crazy work, bro.
So we got CWI. Yeah, he got PWI.
Did you tase him or anything?
No, you supposed to.